Good morning, students. Let me discuss with a new chapter, that is natural resource and vegetation and wildlife. Dear students, in this chapter we are going to discuss about the natural vegetations and that conservation of natural vegetations. This all topic we are going to discuss in this chapter number 3 of geography. Let me begin with what is natural vegetations. Natural vegetation means the plant species which are growing in the environment. It is known as natural vegetations. A semblance of the plant species in this environment is known as natural vegetation. Next, that is natural vegetations. How the natural vegetation grown in this environment. There is a two factor which is very important: temperature and rainfall. These two factors are play an important role for growing the plants. And then have you seen that the area where we have a heavy rain, there is a thick and dense forest, and the area having a decrease in the rainfall, the size and the species of plants are reduced. Shrubs and short trees are common in the low rainfall areas, and in the cold regions, that is a growing season is very short. So there are some kind of plant species like, for example, the mosses and lichens. So the natural vegetations, there are the different classification of the forest in this natural vegetations. First, that is tropical hardwood forest. Second, Mediterranean forest, and third, that is a temperate softwood forest. So let me discuss with the first, that is a tropical hardwood forest. Tropical hardwood forest having a two type. One is tropical Evergreen forest and second is tropical deciduous forest. As you have already read about, I think, Evergreen forest in class 7th, it is same as in the as you have read in the 7th class. Tropical evergreen forest. Evergreen is itself clear by the name, that is evergreen means the trees are green for whole the year. Tropical evergreen forest that confined to the tropical region. Where there is a tropical region lies between the equator and that is a tropic of Cancer and a tropic of Capricorn. So this area has become the tropical region, and the forests lying in this region are known as tropical evergreen forest. The characteristics of this evergreen forest that have a heavy rain occurs throughout the year. There is a temperature is also high, so the growth of plant is very high. So there was there is so many trees are growing in that region, like bamboo, like mahogany, ebony, rosewood. These all are the example of evergreen forest. And this tropical evergreen forest found on this earth, that is in India, there is a common Western Ghat, Andaman Nicobar, Kerala and northeastern part of the country, and in the world also having this tropical evergreen forest like Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, Gabon and Africa. Then this hardwood trees are forests are very tall in their size due to the heavy rain and temperature. The growth of plant is very high, and its a height up to the 60 meter. Different species we have already discussed that found in these forest areas. Then there is a typical tree like this mahogany, ebony, rosewood, rubber, palm. Okay, the trees have a broad leaves, permit the transpirations of surplus moistures, and the wildlife like in these rainforests are elephant, macaque, lemur, monkey, and deers. Then next is tropical deciduous forest. The second part, that is tropical deciduous forest. In these forests are also known as the monsoon forest, and because they are common in the monsoon area of the world, commonly found in the India, Myanmar, South China, East Brazil, and central part of America. And deciduous forest receive rainfall in the summer season only, in the month of June, July, August, and September, ranging between 100 to 200 centimeters. And these type of forest vegetation is not as dense as the tropical evergreen forest, and have a prominent broad leaf and medium sized leaves. They shed their leaves during the dry season and conserve the moisture. The trees are medium in the height, 30 to 40 meters. Common trees are the sal, teak, sandalwood, bamboo, shisham. Eucalyptus is common in Australia, and deciduous forests are having also a wildlife like a lion, tiger, elephant, numerous kind of reptiles. So today we discuss two kind of tropical hardwood forest. One is, that is tropical evergreen forest, and second is tropical deciduous forest. Go through it and read thoroughly. Thank you.